Hey there! Welcome to this course. My name is Lorenzo Levano and I'll be your instructor for this course on ethical hacking. Now, let me tell you what you will learn in this course. If you're here, you're probably curious about ethical hacking, penetration testing, or cybersecurity. In this course, I'm going to guide you through hands-on hacking techniques that real attackers use. You will learn how to set up your own hacking lab with Kali Linux. Then we dive straight into real-world attacks. We will crack Wi-Fi passwords, exploit SQL injection vulnerabilities, bypass Windows login credentials, and even create a simple reverse shell. You will also get a taste of malware analysis by building a basic ransomware. But hacking isn't just about launching attacks, it's about understanding the entire process. That's why we will explore the cyber kill chain and use professional tools like Nmap, The Harvester, Metasploit, and Netcat. You will also sharpen your Linux skills so you can put theory into practice. Whether you're aiming to become an ethical hacker, start a career in cybersecurity, or just understand how attackers think, this course gives you a practical foundation to build on. So if you're ready to get your hands dirty, let's dive in. I will see you in the next section where we will set up your lab.